I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much for your concern. And yeah, how's your day going so far?
It's good. As usual, I'm on Diwali holidays at my home. So enjoying the holidays. I've recently put up a little bit of weight. So enjoying the holidays.
Okay. So yeah, I want to know something about yourself because yeah, I want to a brief introduction about yourself.
Just a minute. I got a call. That's why
Yeah.
the video was interrupted. So my name is Parmanand. I'm from Maharashtra. I live in a village near in Buldana district. You must have heard of Buldana district, where the Lonar crater is located. Do you know about the Lonar crater?
Yes,
It
yes,
is the only
I heard about that, Lonar.
Lunar crater is the only crater which is created by the impact of meteor, and the only other craters are present in Brazil only, and the second one is in India. So it's a unique place in
Okay.
our district. So
Okay,
this is
okay.
how we introduce our district. Exactly. So I would like to give a metaphor. Learning English is like learning swimming. You
Yes.
cannot learn its rules. In order to swim, you have to jump into water directly without thinking anything. So those audience who's watching in the YouTube, please simply start speaking, no matter what, how bad it is. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It will fall in place once you start speaking. Okay.
Yes.
I would like to continue the analogy of swimming water. Suppose if you start speaking and you came to know few sentences and you are good at everyday speaking English. So you start speaking much higher level English with few other people. So
Yes.
once you learn swimming, if you learn in a well, that's fine. If you learn in a swimming pool, that's well, that is good as well. But you can swim anywhere in the world if you learn swim. That is the thing. So you need to start wherever you are. Just start speaking without thinking. That is my call.
Yes. So when did you start your journey? Spoken English journey.
10th standard, actually, 10th standard. Uh, it was
Speaking, I think I want to ask you, when did you start your speaking spoken English journey? Not reading English,
spoken
learning
English.
English.
I started back in 2006. So I
Okay, it's
improved
a long time.
day by long time. I nobody told me to, you know, join speak. My father it is a government teacher, but he never, pushed me or
Yeah,
he never just pushed me to, study hard.
speak.
This
Yeah.
that I so during summer holidays I did not go to my hometown. I joined some classes. Someone is interrupting me, but that's okay. Yeah, someone is interrupting me, but that's okay. I'll handle that. He's my brother. He's a pharmacist as well.
Okay.
So so I started my journey, and then I went for graduation to Mumbai. So I got a lot of exposure to Mumbai. Even the exposure was good in Mumbai. So that led me to more get more fluent into English.
Yes, yes.
So this is my journey.
Okay, so have you are a YouTuber, I think. Are you a YouTuber?
Everybody is YouTuber. Those who has a smartphone and geo connection can be a YouTuber. So yes, technically I
When
am a
did you
YouTuber.
okay, when did you
Recently,
start your YouTube journey?
yes, I did start my channel, and there was a
Recent.
significant reason I started the channel because I started channel say about 8 to 9 days ago. But on 30th last month, I met with an accident. I was traveling on the bike and I collided with a tractor which was stationary without reflectors, anything. So my head was, struck against the back of the trolley. I survived that crash. I did not even get hurt, even slightly. So this was my second life. So that is why I decided to devote my life at least significant time to social work,
Yes, yes.
the needy people, and I started my YouTube channel. And my family members Of course, they were not very supportive, but still, I'm gonna go ahead with it anyhow.
So how are you this time?
I'm feeling good. I'm great. I'm happy. My name itself suggests my name is Param Anand, so I'm always supposed to be happy.
Okay. And how about your injury? You got
Injury,
any?
with God's grace, I had some contusion here, and this is the injury. That's it. Nothing more than that. It's a miracle.
Okay.
It's just a God's miracle. How my bike is crushed completely, beyond repairable, and still I'm alive. That's a miracle in itself.
So how had it
So this
been?
is my second.
It means how had it been? How had it happened? This event, this tragedy with you.
That's I'll tell you. My hometown and my workplace is just 18 kilometers away. So it's my routine way. It's just 15 kilometers. Nothing new. The road is smooth. No curvatures. Nothing. I was going back at say around 8:30 at night back home from my workplace. There was a tractor standing stationary in the middle of the road without any reflectors. All it was filled with uh, logwoods. Logwoods. It was filled with logwoods, and I saw the tractor, but it was too late. I braked hard, but it was too late, and I collided with the tractor. Simply because of the helmet, I survived. And a similar incident 3 years ago in the same spot, one doctor, one doctor had died there, and the people who gathered there, every one of them was saying that you are alive simply because of helmet and nothing
Yes.
else. Because
Yes.
few years ago, similar kind of incident happened in the same place, and a doctor died while going back to his home. So this is my second life, you can say.
Okay. Yeah. I don't have word to I don't have word to elaborate my feeling, but God grace, you are well this time, and it is good.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
That's great. What my hobbies? Your podcast will be over and your mobile data will be over if I talk about my hobbies. I don't have much of hobbies like everything cricket. Everybody likes cricket, but I love to play guitar, but I don't have guitar. I want to play tennis, but I don't have a tennis racket. But with this YouTube income, if at all it comes, I'll buy one. I'll buy a tennis racket. Underprivileged kids. I didn't have those facilities when I was in school. It's not that we were poor, simply because we were not aware of it. Had we
Yes.
been aware, my father would have given me this facility. But those 15 kids, you go to the channel and see those 15 kids. They don't know even how to hold a pen. I'll start teaching them from holding the pen, and within 2 to 3 years, they will be speaking English as good as the school, which is located nearby their hut. They live in hut, and the one of the leading school
Yeah, you are stuck.
is next door to. So the leading politician of the town, he has a big school over there, and these children live in temporary huts in front of that school. But no, these are invisible people for us, right? Nobody cares about them. Even I used to care, but I didn't dare to go there and ask, why do we live in the hut? I finally found that courage because of that incident that gave me the second life. And I want to devote that second life the way I want, not living someone else's dream to run after money. No, the way
Yes,
I
yes.
want, I will live. The way this is my inspiration.
Okay, that's good. So, how many sessions do you take today? Did you take today?
This is the first one. This is my first recording. This is the first of its kind for me, and I'll start many more.
Yeah, actually, this is my also first video calling with you.